Who decided that we should let 18-year-olds decide what they want to do for the rest of their lives and regret it for the rest of their lives because they were too young to make a proper decision? In all seriousness, I cannot make a proper decision on the course that I want to study. Some of them are such a long route, so much commitment. Some of them feel like this is not me. Some of them are gonna be replaced by AI. So, what the fuck do I do? And whatever. I would say fuck the system. Like, literally, fuck it. Let's go abroad and study. That is what delusional me says. बट देन टेंशन वहाँ पे भी ख़त्म नहीं होती. आई स्टिल हैव टू डिसाइड विच कंट्री, उसके हिसाब से कोर्स. एंड कल को अगर मेरे को उस कंट्री में जॉब नहीं मिली देन आई विल गेट डिपोर्टेड एंड द पैसा इन्वेस्टेड इन मी wasted. And again, it's a proof I'm a fucking liability. Anything that I decide on needs me to convince my parents. And me and my parents are like, we can't have a proper land to step our foot on. I don't know what the fuck I just said, but you get the gist, right? For the past 3 days, I was planning कि भाई what course will I select. ऐसे पूरे 6 topics I wrote down in my notebook and उसके हिसाब से पूरा process I did, पूरा research, genuine research I did, not even randomly, पूरा proper research I did. And उसके बाद last night लड़ाई हो गई parents की.
मेरी बेटी ये कोर्स नहीं पढ़ेगी, मेरी बेटी वो कोर्स नहीं पढ़ेगी, मेरी बेटी डॉक्टर ही बनेगी.
Cry session. About cry session, I'm so nonchalant. Like, मेरा क्रैश आउट कभी भी हो जाता है, बट आई कांट क्राई. आई जस्ट शट डाउन. उसकी जगह आई वुड रादर शट डाउन देन क्राई. दिस इज़ मी. एंड देन एट रैंडम मोमेंट्स आई वुड गेट टीयरी आई. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, I'm too nonchalant and I'm not proud of it. I can't let my feelings out. I'm comfortable with this. I can not be stoic in front of the camera. I feel this is something personal and being built by me. So I find it easier to be me in front of the camera and not feel any shame. I feel intense shame in speaking out my feelings. Literally. I've had bad experiences with therapists as well. उसकी तो खुद में ये एक अलग वीडियो बन सकती है. But this was gonna be a get ready with me. And where will I go then? Nowhere. Literally nowhere. I ain't going anywhere. Why am I still doing this? बकचोदी. We love बकचोदी. मस्ती नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. No matter how much you crash out. बकचोदी नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. अभी तो I just came back नहाने के बाद and अभी तक I am still not following the script that I wrote. Very intellectual mind me wrote that script की ये this is gonna be a educational video. यहाँ पे मैं सबको educate करूँगी. Anyone who clicked for what they clicked, this is gonna be that. No worries. थोड़ा सा मस्ती चलता है. Okay, shut the fuck up. The process जो मैंने किया, listing down the courses and being intellectual, that I'm gonna show what I did. Great method to get clarity on what you actually want and not your parents. You cannot get clarity from external sources, like I just said. There are some really good therapists. I personally did not have a really good therapist, so you need to be mindful of what therapist you're going to. Uska emotional maturity level, is that what you expect or not? You the real you, okay? You the real clarity. So the problem that I'm facing is gonna be relatable to many people. I took PCB in 11th and 12th grade and chose to do NEET side by side. I wish I could go back and slap my younger self कि भाई क्यों ले रही हो भाई, ये नहीं करने की ज़रूरत है, पूरा टाइम बचा है 12 के बाद. Focus on your boards, focus on your school. It's not just about missing out on things, but also like the environment is so toxic. The only reason why I took it because I felt that was the safest option because of peer pressure, parental bias, so many things like that. I thought that was the most wise decision ever. That is the biggest bakchodi that I ever did in my life. Never think that your journey is someone else's journey. Someone else's journey is your journey. You can be good at what you're studying, but the other person is on chapter 5 and you're on chapter 1. You're good at chapter 1. They're also good at chapter 1, and you think that you're capable of that They're chapter 5, you're not yet. They might handle that pressure better, the coaching pressure, and you don't even know yourself well. I did not even know myself well. By the way, the pimple is gone. I had this friend ko छुपा दिया, lol. And now that I've graduated high school, I'm like कि I want to change the course. This was the worst decision of my life. And then I realized कि मुझे तो किसी भी चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट नहीं. तो भाई ऐसे सेंसिटिव वर्ड्स कैजुअली ड्रॉप किए जा रहे हैं बाय दी अथॉरिटीज़ की कॉलेज, यूनिवर्सिटी, कोर्स चूज़ करो, स्टडी अब्रॉड, गेट अ जॉब. लाइक एक तो ये स्टडी अब्रॉड यार, इट्स सच अ बिग थिंग फॉर मी. I would literally bawl my eyes out. My Delulu self is like कि मेरे को हार्वर्ड, प्रिंसटन, ब्राउन इन सब में जाना है. एंड देन नज़र जाती है मेरे एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट एकेडमिक्स पे. तो अब क्लैरिटी कैसे मिली? हायर अथॉरिटीज़ को भी छोड़ो. सो व्हाट आई एक्चुअली डिड वाज I took my notebook and I wrote down what I currently have on my plate. कि अभी करंट में क्या चल रहा है, and then in currently, near comings, and in the future. Current has what I'm focusing on currently, which is content, and in the near comings, random stuff like that. NEET, I'm still deciding कि मेरे को NEET देना है नहीं देना है. I'm not serious about NEET. I don't want to do NEET. I hate NEET and fuck ass coaching. Coaching में से अगर कोई ये देख रहा है, I hate you from the bottom of my heart. And future comings में I wrote abroad के entrance exam options जैसे SAT, Italy का IMAT. So I wrote course options: psychology, OT, occupational therapist, neuroscience, MBBS and BBA type shit. फिर ये जो कोर्स ऑप्शन विच आई वाज लाइक कि ये मैं कर सकती हूँ. फॉर दैट अगर आई डिसाइड टू डू ऑल दीज कोर्सेज इन इंडिया, उसका आई मेड अ लिस्ट, रैंकिंग लिस्ट ऑफ डिमांड एंड पे with respect to India. I am poking my eyes pro with this, and I don't even have a small mirror. Pro bitch. Healthcare probably I'll not do in India. Psychology, India, because it is a very long route. It would be like too much funds would be required if I decide to do it abroad. Occupational therapy, India में इतनी demand नहीं है, so I'll do it abroad. It also requires a little bit more funds. And then we have neuroscience. Neuroscience की demand India में इतनी नहीं है, abroad. But BCom too oversaturated. If I'll do it in India. High risk है. If I do it in abroad, I'll get deported. I won't get a job. Working visa नहीं मिलेगा. The resources you can use for this is AI, Google. I used Reddit as well. Question AI on it. This is your life that you're talking about. Be thorough with it. Get informed about everything regarding course that you're wanting to do. The whole thing mapped out in front of you. Go back and forth. Question AI. If I did this, will I be deported? Will I not be deported? What are the universities? Everything needs to be questioned. Especially with high stakes, the most important thing that you're gonna consider is that you're not gonna get your perfect course, your perfect path. That does not exist. I've got to do it with my hair open. क्या पता मैं इसकी clip cut करके post करूँ, and then I'll be looking like shit. For every path you take, you've got to eat a shit pie. So you need to be okay with the path that you can enjoy that shit pie. What does that mean? Every path is gonna have hard things. You will not get any perfect, any sorted out type of path. Even the most secure, most perfect path has its own atrocities, and you need to be okay with handling it. That is what shit pie means. For every course that I listed, I list out all the shit pies that I'll have to eat for each course. Each and every course. For MBBS, इसके लिए तो भाई, इसके लिए तो पूरा पेज भरा हुआ है. Try to do MBBS abroad. It is gonna be such a long journey, and now that I'm already resisting so much, what if I won't be able to do it in future and leave the course in the middle? Leaving in between the course will have me deported. I don't have anything stable in that country. 5 to 6 year journey है वो. I couldn't focus on anything else while doing NEET, and I felt like a failure doing it. Doing that whole journey, I felt like shit, and I don't want to go through all that again, which would restrict me, and I wouldn't even be able to follow this, do this, something that I actually really want. I do not want that life for like 6 to 7 years straight. No, that ain't happening. That is like the biggest fear of mine, which is not being able to reach my highest potential just because I chose the safest route that everyone told me to. पहले साइंस ली and I thought कि वो नीट के लिए प्रेशराइज नहीं करेंगे, but it happened. फिर अब अगर नीट दूंगी then how can I be sure कि वो मेरे को MBBS जैसे बड़ी चीज़ के लिए they won't be pressurizing me and forcing me for it. That is like my biggest nightmare. If I go abroad for MBBS, then I'll be locking all my doors to switch my path for 10 years straight. And then for neuroscience, I wrote, what if I only enjoy the idea of studying it? What if I don't actually want to be a neuroscientist? And it also requires PhD. I prefer neuroscience more than psychology. I love learning about the human brain, how people function, how everything happens. But I wish everything aligned. Nothing aligns, bro. If I was someone who already has funds of my own, not of my parents, and I didn't have to convince them for every step that I'm taking, it would have been so much more easier. But no, they had to let 18-year-olds decide what we want to do for the rest of our lives and regret it. I want to study abroad. Why so many complications? I think I can rather develop interest in both of these, neuroscience and psychology, while studying it. I'm confident in that. I'm such a broke bitch. I just received a notification saying my storage is full and I had to delete so many bunch of apps. I deleted मेरा coaching का app, coaching and मेरा नाता खत्म. I hate that bitch. Coaching वाले लोगों को भी expose करना है अभी तो YouTube पे. Ain't nobody doing it like me. Every single thing. Life is fucked up. You're crashing out. Did we find a perfect course? Perfect does not exist. There are so many things to be considered. And so many things that I still need to talk about. अभी तो coaching पे भी expose ही बनाना है. I need to expose this fuck ass coaching. I need to do so much. I cannot give up. Guys, even the lip is done. And my storage says no. So wait up for the exposes and so much more that I have. Bye. This is the only type of mess I deserve in my life. Ain't nobody gonna get me in a messier situation. This is the only mess I deserve.